Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Drchiomaviolet. So guys, we talked about the last time the skincare guideline you should always put at your fingertips. Yeah. So we actually talked about different guideline up to like 8 points. And I want to tell us the remaining ones. I don't know if you have gone through my previous videos where I talked about the first part of the skincare guideline. So if you have not seen it, I would love you to start from there and come back to this video. I'm going to send the link on this video so that you can be able to catch up on both guidelines, right? So I've actually mentioned so many. So I have up to like 18 points. I made mention of the first 8. So I have the remaining others that I'm going to talk about on this video. So if you are missing out on the first video, you should go back to the previous video and see what I said about all of them. Okay? So I talked about consistency. And giving yourself time to get the desired result. I talked about following your morning and evening routine orderly. In my previous video, I talked about using the appropriate water for your skin. I talked about treatment. I talked about sun exposure. Avoid excessive sun exposure. If you're the type, my girlies, that even boys now, they do makeup, so try and remove your makeup before bedtime. I talked about hydration. I actually made video on hydration, like almost on my YouTube shorts. You see it on my YouTube shorts where I told you the benefits of staying hydrated and also the downside of being overhydrated. I mentioned that. So again, just go through my previous video, you will see them. There are a lot of them here. So I talked about you eating balanced diet. I talked about having that's the eating balanced diet is where I stopped in my previous video. So this video I'm going to talk about getting enough sleep, right? So as an adult, you should have up to like 8 hours sleep. 8 hours of sleep. So I would advise you get adequate sleep to allow your skin to rest your skin, to enable your body to incorporate and embrace what you are giving to it. So the sleep is really, really important. Okay. So, and again, when it comes to sponge and your face, you should stop using sponge on your face. You should stop using brushes on your face. And harsh scrub, you should stop using harsh scrubs on your face as well. So, and again, when you have acne, like I said before, when you have pimples or acne, you should try as much as possible not to pump it. You should try as much as possible not to be tempted. Stop getting tempted to pump or pick your pimples or your acne. No. You should stay away from it. And again, if you have consultants like me in your circle, you should try and book some session with them, because at times incorporating some treatment may do you more harm than good. So consult people who are experts before adding any treatment to your routine, right? So, and again, we have what we call sandwich method. When it comes to sandwiching your skincare products or skincare treatment. So I've did a video about the sandwich method, so you should actually go through my video and learn how to sandwich your skincare products. Okay. So, and again, I you should have, you should always check your product expiration date. Okay, so I've heard a lot of people complain about their skincare products not giving them the desired result. So, and some persons end up seeing or observing that either their skincare product has expired or it has passed expiration date, right? Or they got the bad product or they got the fake product. So try and observe and check the authenticity of your skincare product. Okay, so and again we have what we call active products. There are ways you should apply actives, and there are also ways you should incorporate actives in your routine. So this is where the expertise comes in. Try and book your consultation and explain to your consultant your problems. Okay, so and again, storing your products. At times most of us expose our product to sunlight, so I will not advise you exposing your skincare products to sunlight, extreme heat or extreme cold, depending on the type of the products. Okay, so keep them on appropriate room temperature and do not overexpose them to harsh environments. Okay, so and again, when it comes to some products, try and observe if it's shake before use or just tilt before use, so that you can be able to incorporate all the ingredients before you use them. So try and observe your products. Okay, so I believe I've made a lot of sense, a lot of guidelines. So if you have to write them down, take note of each and every one of them and try and incorporate them in your routine. To have a perfect skin is not a day job. To have a perfect skin is not now. So you need a lot of effort, you need consistency, you need patience, you need to do it properly. All right, so I wish you the best, and I can't wait to be giving you all the gist, all the help, all the information you need about your skin and your skincare and your healthcare. So see you in my next video. Please try and subscribe and share my video and come back for more. I love you. Bye. Mwah.